Hola! Excuse my screwed up makeup. It is the end of my day. Because yesohyas came really super late again. I'm not in my pajamas this time. Just have gross 10-hour day makeup on. We're gonna open this and I actually am going to try this stuff. Today, I just won't be doing a full fresh face look with it. I'm just gonna kind of try stuff on top of what I already got. Ooh. Let's open this. This is the bag for November. It finally arrived. The first thing that we got in here is by Mirabella. I am very much on the fence about this brand. It seems weird every time I look them up. They're one of those everything's marked super high, but for some reason is always on sale for $10. But, you know, that's only what I've noticed. I know nothing about the company. But we've had a few Mirabella things. All seem of alright quality, just the info on the website seems sketchy to me. That's just me. Just me. It looks kind of like a cigarette pack. Swirling Color Radiant Skin. I think this is a highlighter, yes. Oh no. Oh no. Well, we're off to a good start this month. So this is very busted. And it's in a really weird container. Like, I'm afraid to open this. I don't know if you can see how deep the dust level goes from the pan. But this is going to be a mess. I'm doing it. I'm opening it. Oh god, that was a mistake. This is the highlighter. Well then, I'm going to attempt to clean this up. It kind of feels like that sort of... Oh, you know what? I don't think this will repress. So sorry, yesohyas, but I'm going to be skipping the Instagram pictures for this month. Oops. Postal service at its finest. I am going to try this out, though, because I'm hoping maybe I can clean that up. That could be a project later on. I don't know. I'll let you know how it goes. So the next thing we got, a crown brush. So, alright brush. It says oval shadow brush. This is a very large for a shadow brush. My goodness. I mean, it's a crown brush. Not the best quality, not the worst quality. They're like decent, mediocre brushes. I find this incredibly large for a shadow brush, but sure, we'll work with it. The next thing I got is a Sorme Cosmetics Brow Lift Brow Highlighting Pencil. We've already received a brow highlighting pencil in this box a couple months ago. It was the Cella one, and that was way too freaking dark for me. But it's the perfect nude for my waterline, and it doesn't move. It's really, really good. This appears to be way lighter in color, so maybe that will actually work. I don't know. We'll give it a shot. Next up, Beauty Creations Unicorn Tears Liquid Highlighter, and this appears to be in a shade that is way too dark for me. So this is the bottle. It looks a lot like the Cover FX drops. Whoa. It spreads out alright. This I definitely cannot use as a highlighter because it is about 10 shades darker than me. And the last thing we've got in here, Aesthetica item. So something that is way overpriced. I mean, shush-Annette. Very good quality packaging. This is like a good artist kit kind of thing. This is a lip kit, a lip contour series it says, but realistically it's a giant lip kit. So this is the outer box. It is nice and sturdy. It is cruelty-free and gluten-free. So you've got a little pamphlet here that explains how to contour your lips. Super fancy. So it's got a mirror here. No, I won't blind you. It's got all of the lip colors, and this white one here I believe is the highlighting shade. And then we've got two double-ended lip liners, and a little lip brush here. So the lip brush is actually really fucking cute. And it's got a little cap that goes on. I hope you could see that. These are all of the lip colors, including the highlighting white. These are my fingers. after I attempt to take the colors off, these stain clearly. Still on there. This was only on my hand for like 10 seconds. So I'm gonna start with the brow highlight on my skin. And oh hey, it's actually lighter than my skin tone. And I'm gonna just blend that a little with my finger. Oh hey, you know what? I need to wax my brows really bad, but that's not too shabby. So now, this is gonna be the quickest fucking try on ever. So I'm gonna take a bit of this highlight. It smells of something. That's probably way more than I need. And we got a good glob right there. And I'm actually gonna use this oval brush, since apparently this is a shadow brush. And I'm gonna just tap it. I'm going to just pat this on top of the shadow I already have. Oh no. It feels really oily. Oh. Like it's oily enough it's taking off my eyeliner. You know what? Just for shits and giggles. Oh, that. It's still really oily. Like it doesn't feel like it's drying down. I'm gonna take another blob here. And then I'm going to take this brush again on the other side, get some on there. And let's see. Oh, yeah, that is way too dark for my pasty ass. Nerp, definitely nerp. Big fat nerp. So I'm going to be giving this to someone else. So let's take a little highlighting brush and go dab it into this broken fucking highlighter. That is really glittery. Oh my god. Am I beautiful? It's like, that is a mess. That is a big fat mess. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to swatch the liners on the back of my hand, and then I'm going to do the lip colors. Hopefully, I will get away from some of the staining. We'll see. I am scared. The pink one is Party Girl. That right there. Stalker. Dark, plummy, sort of. Bombshell. Like a deep red. And Swag, which is the sort of mauvey nude color. I'm going to pull out the little lip brush here. I'm going to start by going into the pink glossy topper type color. So as you can see, there is not much color to this one. It's just kind of like a cute little like sheer sort of Barbie pink, and they feel actually really hydrating and not like in a gross oily way. It is very unforgiving. You can see every little line in my lips with this color. But you know what? It's comfortable and I don't mind it. This is very Barbie. Super Barbie. And also the worst lip lining job ever. Yeah, like these would totally be better with the liners. Like I see how it's supposed to all go together. I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't expecting much from this red, but I kind of like it. Okay, now that I'm looking like a little kid who drank fruit punch and never wiped their face, let's go into this last sort of like dark berry shade here. That's kind of what I was expecting. The lipstick as well as my application. This is not good. It doesn't layer well. This is by far the worst color in this. Yeah, absolutely. Isn't that pretty? Okay, so that is it for this month's yesohyas unboxing. It was interesting. I don't even know if I can try to rate this one because I'm very confused. I have a lot of feelings right now, and I'm also very hungry. So I'm gonna go eat something. I'll ponder this. Give me a thumbs up if you liked the video, and we'll see you in the next one.